Hi there, welcome to this beautiful 22 veranda. Do a quick walk through here. Lovely space inside, and your very own deck goes right with you outside. You have your outdoor kitchen here. Deck with the view. Large sliders off the back. Entry into the nice open living space. Versa lounge sleeper. Plus you have your included television and fireplace. Very practical kitchen layout. 3-burner stove with an oven. You also have a microwave tucked up again within the range hood there. Large pantry here, full-size refrigerator. Nice eat-in area with a pull-out peninsula there. Great layout with a walk-through bath, full-size shower. Walk through with 2 barn doors into your king. It's a Versa King in back here. Lots of windows for natural light, plenty of storage as well with your wardrobe there. And your second entrance here off the bedroom. Come into Lovesick Lake Park and RV sales for the best prices in Canada.